sa Mall of Asia Arena, nagbubukas po ang fourth quarter ng inyong PBA. According to Coach Luigi Trillo, he likes what he sees, but they can do so much better. Ang goal nga daw nila is to get this win and to keep rain or shine below 80 points. Kung magawa nila yan, ang motivation sa mga manlalaro, they will be resting tomorrow from practice. Samantala, sa panig naman ng rain or shine Elasto Painters, whenever their players miss, kitang-kita ko mula sa aking kinaupuan yung panlulumo ng mga players, talaga napapangiwi sila. And then suddenly, they all looked at the time. At ang usapan nga doon, isa pang quarter to, guys. Kayang-kaya pa natin to. Mag-uwin ka nito?
Thank you, Riza. 70-61 is the score.
A lot of positive signs for Rain or Shine dun sa ating third period. First of all, 7 players scored for them as against only 3 for Alaska. So balanced scoring nandun for Rain or Shine. And that's a start to gain back your confidence. I think for Gabe Norwood, yun ang importante sa kanya. He gets back his confidence. What about Jeff Chan? Was scored only 3 points in this game.
Abueva with a huge bailout para dito sa Alaska. 4 points in the contest lang para sa kanya, pero katakot-takot na rebound na ang nahugot nito. Kasama ni Abueva Seg, sina McInnes, Hazul, Espinas, and Ontiveros. Easy reads, takes one through. Kasama naman niya sina Norwood, Matias, Belga, and Tang.
So Coach Luigi Trillo seeing that move, that baseline drive coming from Arizona Reed, na hindi naman masyadong na-challenge sa inside. He's gonna bring back Sonny Toss to protect that basket from layup penetrations.
Reed with a steal. Rain or Shine looking to capitalize. Duty foul given up by Dondon.
This is the problem of Alaska. Yung kanilang turnovers.
As Toss comes back in para dito kay Espinas. Chris Chu nasa sahig na rin para sa Rain or Shine. Belga, aabot papunta kay Matias. Hinahanap nila itong si Chu. Offensive foul whistle, then if that's on Bo, that's going to be foul number 5.
Number 30, Bo Belga. That's a split foul. Substitution JV Casio for Calvin Abueva.
Casio nagbalik para dito kay Abueva.
You watch it right here.
Substitution Jerry Young for Bo Belga.
So yung may 5 foul na Belga, upo. Yung may 4 na foul na Kinyahan, nagbabalik dito. Casio being harassed by Norwood all the way in the backcourt. His pass, natapik, pero recovered here by Wendell McInnes. Casio once again jumps it out. 9 to shoot para sa Alaska. They go to the post. Toss kontra Kinyahan, looking for that 5th foul on JR. Toss puts it up, too strong. Matias running the length of the floor. Ronnie drops it off the game. Two-handed throw down.
Oh, what a way to go. Yung sinasabi natin about Gabe Norwood. He needs to get his offense going. And that's his first field goal conversion sa ating conference.
He's been using his defense in the second half to fuel or to summon his confidence on offense. JV gustong bawiin. Couldn't get it to go. And this is the closest Rain or Shine has come since quarter number 1.
And we did say at the end of the third period, manageable ito for Rain or Shine. Take a look at that extra pass coming from Matias.
Reed for 3. No. Rebound, Norwood and Azul chasing after it.
Yung respeto ni Coach Yeng Giao on JV Casio is so evident because si Gabe Norwood na pumatawag ngayon kay JV.
Kaya gustong gumawa ng mga adjustment ni Coach Luigi with during the timeout, etong si Bo Belga was having a conversation with our officials. At pagbalik natin sa action, na technical foul siya.
Ano klase conversation kaya yun? One way.
Continuous complaining pero medyo galit eh. Medyo high blood. High blood yung kanyang costumbre doon. Kaya eto, bumalik na sa 8 ang abante rito ng Alaska. Toss kasama si Casio, Ontiveros, McInnes, and Azul. Toss will try and attack eto si Kinyahan. McInnes in traffic is fouled.
A tight pass coming from Sonny Toss pero nahanap pa din si McInnes. But he has to earn his points from the free throw line. Yung physical defense ng Rain or Shine preventing him from scoring inside.
So just when Rain or Shine was threatening, once again, tumawag ng maagang timeout si Coach Luigi Trillo. And they can get 3 points here. Dahil yung isa galing nga sa technical free throw.
And making sure of his free throws that time, si McInnis, he's now going 9 out of 14 from the line.
Reed, inabot sang uso in that last foul. Pumunta sila kay Kinyan as Chris Chu is tied up by the boss.
Foul number 7, Sonny Thos.
Para kay Thos, pangatlong personal na yan.
Jeff Chan for Ronnie Matias.
Well, the physicality of the game at saka yung defense orientation taking a toll on both teams. That's why a lot of the players are in foul trouble.
Chan nagbalik para kay Matias. Waiting for movement from his import. Reed looking to attack Thos. Arizona with a floater. No. Rebound McInnis. And he will pick up the 5th personal foul on JR Kinyahan.
And more bad news here for Coach Yang Yao.
48, J.R. Kinyan.
So we take a look at this Kawasaki rousing fast break brought to you by Rouser 135 by Kawasaki. Rouse the rider in you. Thos looking to foul Kinyan out of the game. Gets it to McInnis.
Well-run play that time. McInnis using the pick, actually set there by Dondo Nontiveros inside the shaded area para nakawala siya.
Kinyahan to Chan. Jeffrey slicing through, make a sum of a foul.
Foul on number 25, Dondo Nontiveros.
Kita mo naman yung patience na ito ni Chan. Hindi siya mag-shoot kanina pang first half. Dito, late in the third quarter hanggang dito sa fourth, sumasaksak na lang siya. Hindi niya sinusugal yung outside shot niya.
Exactly. Umatake siya. And here in this fourth period, Chan and Norwood have scored. So the Gilas boys have come to play here in the fourth quarter.
Just over 8 minutes remaining sa ating PBA Wednesday. Ontiveros petangan ng bola up by 9 points. They get it over to Hazul. Chu stays in front of him. Thos fakes Kinyan off. Thos flips it up and out. Rebound all the way outside. Napulot na lang yun ni Casio.
McInnis keeping that ball alive for Alaska.
Live and go. Pabalik kay Hazul. The scoop shot works para kay RJ.
What a pass coming from McInnis. The small guy na nakascore pa ng layup.
Norwood to Arizona. He finds Chan. Jeffrey continues to struggle from deep. Alaska looking for their first win ng ating Governor's Cup. While etong Rain or Shine, ayaw pa iwan sa Petron. Gusto nilang maka 3-1. Chan attacking once again. The backstroke doesn't work pero merong foul. Pasabit na lang ginawa ni Jeff doon.
Kanina nagbinti siya from the 3-point distance. And Jeff Chan continuing to stay aggressive. Hindi niya mahanap yung 3-point shot niya. Hahanapin niya yung drive. And he'll go to the line.
May natagana naman ha.
Naku, sino kaya yun?
Technical foul on the Alaska Aces. Nick Velasco for improper bench
Uy, si Nick Velasco. Ang natawagan. Naglaro na ba si Nick Velasco?
Kapraso kanina.
Okay. Nick Velasco.
Oh! Big miss. Galing dito kay Jeffrey Chan.
Velasco had 2 minutes of play in the first half. Yes, Jeff Chan missing. Take a look at his field goals. 2 out of 10 from the floor.
Takes care of his first free throw actually dahil yung una kanina dahil sa technical foul niya.
Ito, ina-explain ni Nick Velasco kung bakit siya nabigyan ng technical foul.
So Chan brings Rain or Shine to within 9. The people inside the arena starting to get a little louder here. Nararamdaman nating lahat that this ball game is about to really get going. McInnis sa loob! Gets the basket! At nakapagpasabit pa kay AZ Reed.
Credit that to JV Casio, who knew exactly where to put the ball. At si McInnis, ang ganda naman ng kanyang seal job.
Ang inis, ano?
Actually, it was Sonny Thos who gave the pass, hindi pala si Casio. But yes, very aware ang Alaska kung saan mapupunta si McInnis, no? And he's in position to get the pass. He doesn't need too much time and effort to get up a shot from that distance.
26 puntos na para kay Wendell. Norwood over to Chan. Jeffrey slicing through two defenders, double cocks it off the glass for two.
And Jeffrey Chan, 10 points now in this game.
Azul spinning to the baseline, looking for Thos, back to Azul. Here's a three, punches it through.
And just as Jeff Chan scored his 10th point, si Azul din with 10 points in this game.
Para kay Jeff Chan, tournament high na yan. Kinyahan. Oh, go. McInnes with a long one. At nagantay muna siya ng rest back dito. 6 na minuto eksakto natitira dito sa MOA Arena. Thos deciding to take it on his own, all board, pero McInnes is there to clean it up.
Oh, another offensive rebound coming from McInnes, and he's such a workhorse.
Nakakuha na niya yung 28-point performance niya noong nakaraan, 28 na rin sa gabing ito. As Chu muscles through JB Casio.
Timeout on less 36.
Coach Luigi with this timeout, 5:26 remaining in this game. Back inside the Mall of Asia Arena, kung saan makikibalita na naman tayo kay Miss Riza.
Magu, meron ng 22 points itong si AZ Reed, but according to him, he hasn't found his rhythm just yet. And according to Paul Lee, patuloy nga din niya itong binibigyan na advice na mag-try lang na mag-try. Also, Coach Yang is showing that same confidence. Lahat ng nireview nilang play offensively, sa kanya pa rin naka-anchor. And that huddle ended with Gabe Norwood telling everybody, just keep on fighting, guys. We got this. Magu?
Thank you, Riza. 22 puntos nga, pero katakot-takot na attempt din ang ginamit niya. Casio couldn't bail Alaska out. Reed finding Chu sa kabilang dulo. That's going to be a touchdown para kay Chris Chu.
Now in double figures. Notice also that Arizona Reed is not defending McInnes. No? They need a bigger body, someone who can defend the post more effectively than Arizona.
Si Kinyahan nakatao doon, but he's got to watch it. He's got 5 fouls. Casio directing traffic. Pinaalis ito si Azul. They want Thos at the post. He's got the height on AZ. Ford to shoot. Thos, the running hook. No, Jeff Chan para sa rebound. Chan almost had to take it away. Ontiveros completes the swipe.
And now Alaska's pushing it up. How they decide to just hold it?
Time is on the side of the Aces. 11 puntos ang pinapangalagaan nilang kalamangan.
Itong kombinasyon ni Azul and Casio doing a lot of damage here.
Ngayon, Rain or Shine will have exactly 4 minutes to try and make up the difference. Chu off balance, crashing to the floor. Tatakbo na ang Alaska. 2-on-2, Casio. Kaantay muna ng mga kakampi rito.
Hindi naman sila nagmamadali. They're sitting on an 11-point lead, and here he goes again.
Grabe mga labaw. Itong McInnes. Nagkabuhol pa sila dito ni JR Kinyahan. 30 puntos na para kay Wendell McInnes.
And those points, you know, if I had a shot chart, palagay ko pwede natin maipakita no, kung saan nagagaling yung mga puntos ni McInnes. All of them coming from inside the paint. I don't think he's taken a single medium range shot. Or he did, but he missed.
It'll give the shaded lane a completely new meaning. Puro doon no?
Sa loob
Shadan mo talaga yung lane.
Alam mo, magandang katapat ito si George Lohorn ng Barangay Ginebra. Parehong malalaking katawan.
Baka masira din tong court na to pag gaya na nagbanggaan. Oy! What up and under!
Hindi lang pumasok ang tira ni Sonny Thos.
Chris Chu will push it up on a 3-on-2. JB Casio gives up the personal.
Again, you're seeing the different options here of Alaska, realizing that Reed is not a good post defender. They're going to Sonny Thos to attack his post defense.
2:57 remaining in this game. Time. Etong si Wendell McInnes has definitely had his way kontra dito sa frontline ng Rain or Shine. Mapa extra Rice Boys, mapa etong si Arizona Reed. Kahit sino pa makatapat, nilamon niya ng buong buo ang depensa nila.
At kumingiti pa. Kita mo naman.
That's my boy ng ngiti pa. Ginagamit dito ni Wendo. Tamo naman, ano? 30 puntos, 11 rebound, 10 of 21 shooting from the field. Yung kalaban niya, AZ Reed, 22 puntos nga. But it's taken him 23 shots to get those 22 points.
At sabi nga ni Wendell McKinnis before this game that Wednesday is his game. Is his day.
Mintis pa si Jeff Chan coming off their own timeout. With less than 3 minutes remaining here, Alaska looks like they are about to barge into the win column, pero Rain or Shine gusto pang pigilan yan. Chan in trouble. Gets it out to Norwood, the long one. Rattle zone.
And that's a 3-point shot coming from game. Oh, this game is not over yet.
Abueva contra Norwood. Should be the one of the more interesting matchups that we will have for years to come. Pupunta sila dito kay Casio. Offensive foul on Alaska.
That's a good call. And that's a big turnover against Alaska. A little bit of momentum now shifting over to Rain or Shine. Biglang binalik ni Coach Luigi Trillo si Makinis. Ilan na ba ang turnover ng Alaska in this game? They've got 17 turnovers against only 9 for Rain or Shine.
Pero na-check na yan dito sa second half. First half, 12 turnover.
Iisa lang ang turnover nila sa third period.
Sino na technical? Coach Yengiao has just been tossed.
And that's it. It's over for Coach Yeng. And he has to go. 2 technical fouls. Now, Assistant Coach Kaloy Garcia will call the shots for Rain or Shine. This is not over yet. Although with this technical foul, this will expand the lead of Alaska to 11.
Umabot ng 11.
Kung pumasok ito ang tira ni JV. And he makes sure.
He makes him pay.
Yeah.
Pero ang bola nasa Rain or Shine. Big offensive coming up for them.
Now more than ever, yung 3-point shot will be a big weapon for Rain or Shine.
Chu gets it over to Chan, the 3-point specialist. Abueva bantay niya. Chris Chu gusto mo yan ito si Cacho. Too strong on the pass. Rain or Shine somehow controlling this leather. Pero pinamigay din naman ni Kinyahan. McKinnis mag-aantay na kakampi. Mag-uubos ng oras ang Alaska.
And I think that play gives us an idea kung ano nangyari sa game na ito. No? That defense of Alaska. And JD Castro.
Right down the middle.
All over the floor.
Right through the pipes para kay JV.
He's been the stabilizer. And then he got the points. And Calvin Abueva dominating the boards as usual.
So wala nang makakilala kay Owen. Dito sa Governor's Cup, wala nang Owen whatever dahil
right.
Alaska will climb into the win column in the next minute and change.
Well, we did say that before this game that Alaska was the only winless team left in the PBA.
Alaska will have a huge showdown with Barangay Ginebra on September 1st. Dito rin yan sa MOA Arena before taking on Talk 'N Text on September 6, Meralco on September 8, and San Miguel on September 10.
Here's another rebound coming from Calvin.
Ilang rebound si Calvin magtatapos dito? Konti lang puntos pero 12 rebound. O 13 rebound after that one. Ang kanya maitatala. Abueva though turns it over. Pero napatingin siya kay Chris Chu, parang tinamaan siya doon ni Chris. Ay, nakangiti din si Chris yun. Parang naisahan kita, no?
Pareho sila ng dalawa.
Nakangiti din si Chris eh. Nakaisa ako sa'yo, no, Davis? Rain or Shine will now absorb their second defeat in a row after starting their campaign to defend their crown 2-0.
Exactly. And also, they're going to end this game with Coach Yengiao in the dressing room.
And with his wallet a little bit lighter.
Oo.
Pagka nate-technical ka siguradong merong fine.
Well, in this game, yung mga positives ng Rain or Shine, unang-una, forcing a lot of turnovers ang Alaska. Hindi lang sila nakapag-capitalize. No? Also, Gabe Norwood at saka si Jeff Chan starting to get back in the groove. Attacking. And Gabe Norwood getting a 3-point shot. But in the end, it was yung team defense ng Alaska holding Rain or Shine to 36% field goal percentage.
Talagang konti na lang ang ginanda, no? 30% yun. noong first half, magtatapos sila sa 36%. 94-79 is your final score. Alaska with a huge win. Papasok na nga sila into the win column while dealing rain or shine their second consecutive loss. At sa dami ng maganda nilaro para dito sa Alaska Aces, there can only be one hero of the day para sa kanila, and it's none other than their ace point guard, JV Casio. JV, grabe yung nilaro mo, especially in that third quarter. Sunod-sunod na tres, binitawan mo doon, ah.
Well, kailangan ng sense of urgency sa aming team na hindi nga kami nakapag-practice, pero ito kailangan namin boost talaga sa laro.
JV, kanina si Gabe Norwood na tumao sa'yo, no? But nadidistract ka ba kung yung katapat mo mas bata sa'yo?
Hindi naman, basta laro lang kasi yun ang kailangan, kahit sino yung kalaban, kailangan laruin talaga namin ang
Isa pang tanong, JV, yung combination mo with RJ, mukhang maganda ang pinapakita niyong galaw, especially in the backcourt.
Well, madali maglaro pag kasama si RJ, isa rin matalinong guard, and napapadali nga yung laro pag nandun siya.
JV, balita natin kay Riza, no, na day off muna kayo bukas, pero this coming Sunday, September 1, Barangay Ginebra, ang ka-rematch nyo. Imbitahan mo ang lahat, ang kabuuan ng Gatas Republic.
Well, thank you sa Gatas Republic, and syempre, mga mendad ko na talaga nandito, and mga kapatid ko, and syempre, fiancé ko, Jackie. And sa lahat ng mga taga Gatas Republic, supportahan nyo kami sa Ginebra game namin. Thank you very much.
Congratulations once again, JV, and congratulations to the Alaska Aces. So naiwan na wala nang kasama yung Owen doon sa baba. Everybody has won here in the Governor's Cup, and everybody ay magsisiksika na sa ating standings. Games on Friday. The Meralco Bolts take on the Talk Text Trop. Ang Texters sa alas 5 ng hapon ang simula ng ating coverage niyan bago magsalba.